Hello, Dr. Lenz here to go over some options in the toolbar for a discussion board post. These options will be important for getting some basic formatting aspects included in your post for things like peer review with the draft or for various discussion board activities. First, there are font style options for bold, italics, and underline. The italics is important for titles of containers like movies, websites, magazines, books, etc. You may want to use bold or underline when peer reviewing a classmate's essay to help point out certain aspects. Next, paragraph alignment options are important for titles, paragraphs, etc. Body paragraphs are left aligned while your essay title and works cited title are centered.